How to change your Facebook name. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Facebook profile name in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app and go to Profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Settings icon and go to Account Center. From here, select Profiles, then choose your Facebook profile. Now tap on Name. You'll see your current first name, middle name, and last name. Simply enter the new name you want to use or correct any spelling mistakes. After making the changes, tap Review Change. Facebook will show you a preview of how your updated name will appear on your profile. Then tap Save Changes. That's it. Your Facebook name will be updated once the change is processed. Keep in mind that Facebook may limit how often you can change your name, so make sure everything is correct before saving. And that's how to change your Facebook name, update your Facebook profile name, or edit your Facebook account name.